What is going on, guys? Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So check it out, guys. We had all the indexes get destroyed today in the stock market. The Russell went down almost 2% on the day. The Nasdaq went down 1.6. The S&P went down 1.4%, and we had the Dow Jones down 1.2% as the VIX went up over 16%, and at one point we were up over 25% on the VIX, and we had SoFi go down over 4% on the day, which of course we're going to break down in this video, and later in the video we'll cover the indexes and some other stocks. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and you might as well get your 7 fractional shares of the Mag 7 stocks for Moomoo by using that link down below, or by going to stassurfs.com/Moomoo, or by checking out the QR code right here. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get those 7 fractional shares. And with that being said, guys, cheers. We got that water today. Stay hydrated, and let's dive right into the video. So again, we had a pretty rough day across the board today for the stock market, where we had an unreal amount of volatility, a lot of red in the indexes, and a bunch of stocks out there. And for SoFi stock, we pretty much sold off the entire day. We opened up at around $7.55, and we saw a bit of a pump in the morning. All right, that was nice, not bad. We got up to $7.60, but obviously that did not last at all. Then we pretty much again downtrended for the entire day. We took out the lows from yesterday. We hit 730. That was the low of the day. And here on the 5-day 5-minute, you guys can see now we're pretty much under 10 cents away from the lows from about a week ago. We hit on the 5th of April right around 725. So we're less than 10 cents away from that, 8 cents to be exact. And on the 10-day chart, you guys can see, what is that? That is a head and shoulders. You guys see this right here. We have the head right here, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder. You guys see right there. So this is not looking so great in the short term for the bulls. We're under the moving averages on the 30-minute chart, and we also have a death cross here on SoFi, guys, and right now we're pretty much right at the lows from, like I said, about a week ago. So if we break under that 425 mark at some point next week, guys, obviously today's Friday, markets are closed. We have to wait till Monday now. If we do get under 725, we might be slipping down to $7, guys. $6.97 is the low here from the 2nd of April. I think that was the first or the second trading day. Yeah, second trading day of the month. I thought the first was a Sunday. Nope, the first was a Monday. Tuesday was the 2nd of April. But yeah, if we take out that 725 mark on the downside, let me actually set my alert there right now. Mark is at or below. We might be slipping, guys. Not trying to be a doomsdayer or anything like that. I'm just being honest. That's the reality of how we're seeing the charts. And guys, the charts change every single day. That's the reality of the matter here. So let me pull up the 20-day chart and see what's going on there. If I zoom in a bit, nope, this is the 2-hour chart. Let me do the 20. There we go. So yeah, you can see it even more, even better here on this time frame. We have the head and shoulders. Again, if we take out 725, we might be filling that gap down to $7. If that breaks, 680 could be going, could be the next target, right? And by the way, on this 20-day 1-hour chart, let me clear the drawing set a bit. We might be seeing a different picture here. Let's say, for example, we don't get that head and shoulders to play out. Let's say we hold 720, 710, 15, that general area, 730. That'd be ideal for the bulls. This channel here might be in play if we do hold this point. Let me actually pull the 4-hour chart up and zoom in a little bit here. Do you guys see this right here? This is a clear channel right now that even though we're getting beaten down 4% today, we got beaten down 4%, this channel is still holding. Do you guys see this here on SoFi? Let me actually pull the 20-day chart up again. You guys can see it, right? Pretty clear as day. So as of now, even though we have that head and shoulders, even though we've gotten beaten down about 60 cents over the past couple of days, we're still looking pretty good here to play devil's advocate, right? We have the Head and Shoulders that might play out, that we could get more downside if we get, we get under 720. But the flip side of that is we hold 720, we hold this channel, and maybe we start rallying again. But we have to wait for that confirmation, guys. And unfortunately, the stock market is not open on the weekend, so we have to wait until next week, right, guys? So keep your eyes on SoFi in this ballpark right here. I'm telling you guys, very important. You guys can see over the past couple of weeks how we've held the bottom of this channel. This is a big spot overall for the bulls. I like to call it the moment of truth, right? So what do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. That's kind of a quick breakdown here on what's going on in the very short term as we wrapped up the week here. So yeah, quick little breakdown there. And again, we had a lot of red across the board, obviously, with all the indexes down well over 1%. We had Coinbase go down over 6% on the day, completely got squashed. Now it looks like a Head and Shoulders is forming on Coinbase. Do you guys see this? The left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder kind of starting to form, kind of. You guys see that? So keep your eyes on that. Obviously, we have JP Morgan, which I covered in my video earlier today. This went down 6.5% on the day. And by the way, earnings season has started again, right? When the banks are reporting, guys, that's when you know earnings season is here. So next week, we have Bank of America, I believe, on Monday or Tuesday. We also have, and by the way, Bank of America went down 1.5% today. We also have Morgan Stanley next week. That's a big one that I'm watching. Goldman Sachs, GS, another big one. So keep your eyes on all these banks heading into next week. The financials, we also had today BLK, which is BlackRock, State Street. We covered all these in the last video. Make sure you guys go check that out. So it looks like some other ones got squashed today, like Carnival Cruise Line, which, by the way, this thing has been getting destroyed, which honestly I'm not surprised. This stock pretty much doubled up from $10 in October to $19.75 by the end of December. What'd you guys think was gonna happen, right? What'd you expect? Did you think this was gonna continue to go up 30, 40, 50 bucks? No, it was gonna see a period of consolidation, or in this case, a $5 sell-off per share, which for a $19 stock, that's a pretty big move. We're down 27% from the recent highs, and clearly you guys can see, we're heading towards the bottom of the channel here on CCL, which honestly, mid-14s, low mid-14s, high 13s, pretty interesting spot in my opinion. Not telling you to go buy, or I'm not buying it yet personally, but I'm watching it, that's for sure, as pretty much this Head and Shoulders has completely played out, and now we're arguably getting a bit oversold, and we also have a bullish divergence kind of in the making a little bit. You guys see that here? You guys, are you picking up what I'm putting down? You guys see that? So keep your eyes on these stocks, guys. SoFi, the markets. Of course, we'll have more content, so make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and the like button on this video, guys. And if you want to see every single move I make in the private Patreon portfolio, where I'm depositing $100 every single week, check out that link down below. You can also get access to the Discord chat. You get exclusive content. You get exclusive chart breakdowns throughout the day. All of that good stuff, guys, is on Patreon down below. And if you want to get your 7 fractional shares of the Mag 7 stocks for Moomoo with a $100 deposit, check out that Moomoo link down below, or QR codes right here, or you guys can go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you later.